After the NDTC, you went back to London. Am I correct?
I did. And I like the fact you said went back, because when I was in London that first time in '97 with that phone call with my mother, I decided that London was where I was going to live. And I didn't know why, but it was something about London that, again, it resonated with me. And I thought, I'm going to come back to you. And it took me, however many years it was. That was 2006 I ended up going. And it was to pursue my master's in choreography. But I'll give you another, what I consider a nice story about me reaching London. It's very expensive, obviously, to reach London, to study abroad in London. And when I was going up, I was able to secure a scholarship again to get that money. But my plane tickets wasn't taken care of. So I had to figure out how to get this money for. How am I going to fly to London when it's however many thousand Jamaican dollars at a time? And while I was trying to think about that, British Airways put an ad in the paper advertising a ballroom dancing competition. And what was the grand prize? 2 tickets to London.
So you entered the competition?
I entered the competition. I dragged Marlon Sims, the now director of NDTC, and I said, Marlon, come dance with me, please. And he came, and we watched the videos on YouTube, learned the ballroom dancing,